everyone! Welcome back to our 28-day free English course. This is day 21, and today we are focusing on something very important: confidence-building English exercises. Confidence is not something you wait for. Confidence is something you build, step by step. If you want to speak English fluently, confidence must come first. Why confidence matters. Many English learners feel afraid. They think, my grammar is not perfect. My pronunciation is wrong. People will laugh at me. But here's the truth. Mistakes are normal. Every fluent speaker made mistakes before becoming fluent. Confidence helps you. Speak more, practice more, improve faster. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Exercise number 1 is simple. Speak to yourself in English for 5 minutes every day. Talk about your day, your plans, your goals, your feelings. For example, today I learned something new. Tomorrow I will practice more English. This removes fear because no one is judging you. Exercise 2. Find a friend, classmate, or language partner. Start with simple questions. What did you do today? What are your hobbies? What is your favorite movie? Remember, focus on communication, not perfection. Even 10 minutes daily can change your confidence level. Exercise 3. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Look at your face. Watch your mouth movements. Maintain eye contact with yourself. This improves pronunciation, body language, speaking confidence. When you can confidently speak to yourself, you can confidently speak to others. Exercise 4. Record yourself speaking for 1 minute. Then listen carefully. Ask yourself, was I clear? Did I speak too fast? Which words were difficult? Self-awareness builds improvement. Exercise 5. Read a short paragraph aloud daily. Focus on clear pronunciation, correct pacing, natural rhythm. Reading aloud builds fluency and reduces hesitation. Exercise 6. Use English in small real-life situations. Say, good morning. Thank you. How was your day? Small conversations reduce fear. Confidence grows in real situations. Remember, mistakes are not failure. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. If you never speak, you never improve. Speak, make mistakes. Learn, improve. Today, have a 5-minute English conversation. After that, reflect. What did I do well? What can I improve? Progress comes from reflection and practice. You have reached day 21. That means you are serious about improving your English. Keep going. Confidence grows daily. And remember, fluency is not about being perfect. It is about speaking without fear. I will see you in day 22. Visit english.humanityyuapd.com. Continue your journey today.